General disclaimer. Welcome to this official presentation on Affiliate Marketing Model 3.0. All presenters are providing their services on a volunteer basis and are active participants in all products they are presenting. Their views and opinions do not necessarily reflect those of the organisation. While we aim for accuracy, errors may occur. All content is for informational purposes only. The information provided is general and not personalised advice. We are not liable for any losses. We provide information and systems, but we do not endorse any purchases of memberships. Your decisions are yours alone, so we advise conducting thorough research. If uncertain, seek guidance from a qualified professional. Attendees accept these terms by continuing to view this presentation. Let's explore affiliate marketing cautiously and curiously. Legal disclaimer. You are viewing an Affiliate Marketing 3.0 official presentation. All products and services, their component parts and operating methods and systems, either provided by or created by Affiliate Marketing 3.0, belong solely to Affiliate Marketing 3.0. All IPs are protected. Anyone copying, distributing, or reselling any Affiliate Marketing 3.0 product without express permission risks serious legal consequences. Any unauthorized broadcasting, live streaming, or social media sharing of Affiliate Marketing 3.0 presentations is strictly prohibited. Downloading and re-uploading presentations without permission violates copyright law and may also lead to legal consequences. Amazing. Good evening, everybody. Welcome to UK Prime Time. We've got an exciting night. Chavez is here with us this evening, so I'm looking forward to lots and lots of information. We've still got plenty of space, so don't leave anybody behind. Reach out to your communities, bring them along so they're getting all of this information firsthand. You've seen how much education we've had over the last 2 weeks. How could you ever impart all of that information with accuracy to each of your team members? It's impossible. Bring them here, get them to hear that information directly from the CEO himself. Okay, without any further delay, Chavez, great to have you with us. Thank you for joining us. I'll hand over to you.
Thank you so much, Joe. Welcome to UK Prime Time. I believe everybody is doing good. I'm so sorry for last 2 days. I could not join calls. I was traveling back to back, and unfortunately, the flights were at the UK Prime Time, and one of the flights did not even have internet. So, and the next one had, but it really was very weak. I could not even open my WhatsApp. So thanks to Etihad Airways, and yeah, so we could not do it. So today I am here to show you my results from last 2 days when we deployed the funds, all the funds to SmartFlow.
Recording in progress.
Today I moved on Vietnamese call all the funds to AlphaFlow. And from today, we are going to look and see how AlphaFlow is going to perform. So these are the fresh stats till today. And I received more profits into my wallet. And I removed all the funds from SmartFlow, 1039. And no, it was 1039 minus today's $6.48, as well as $7.23 of yesterday. So it was $13 um, 81 cents something, and that equated to $1,039.50, and I invested all in AlphaFlow. So from today I'm going to monitor, and we all are going to monitor AlphaFlow performance only. So, and about the other features that we were discussing uh, on Tuesday, when do we see more features, more tech enhancements in the auto trading engine? We are expecting by this weekend to add all the enhancements to auto trading engine, and hopefully um, by this Saturday we will whitelist first this panel and couple of leaders so that they can use they can sense, they can have understanding as to how Rift auto trading engine works. And post that, from Monday we will start. So Monday onwards, our aim is to finish the pre-sales by Monday, because we are almost sold out on licenses also. So we'll be closing off the pre-sales by Monday. So before Monday, if people who have not got the licenses yet want to grab a license, you can grab a license. I don't think more than 600 licenses are left to be sold. Uh, so once these licenses are sold, let's say they are sold out today or tomorrow, we will close it as soon as they sold out. So this is the stats as to pre-sales is concerned. So by Monday, we are aiming to push auto trading engine live for everyone. By Saturday or late Sunday, if Saturday it will be ready tested with me and my team, then by Sunday I will whitelist couple of leaders and the panel. And from Monday, we will see after 24 hours of operations, and we will start whitelisting these 2000 people first, uh, who joined us in the pre-sales. The first cohort of 2000 people will be whitelisted from Monday if everything goes on time in schedule. And once it is done, for the next whole week, we are going to operate with 2000 more licenses as prepared and planned. And then post next week, we will open next 10,000 lot of licenses to be sold to open market. So this is how the whole sales, or you can say scaled, controlled scalability of Rift automated trading engine is going to be, streamlined or going to be deployed. So this is our plan. Also, there have been recent crazy developments in terms of, like I discussed, the cards, the opportunity cards that you see are going to be more informative, going to have more predictive analysis as to make you win with every single trade you execute. So, a new enriched version of GPT that we have deployed already in the Rift automation is going to be deployed on the human side of Rift. Hopefully, the deployment will take and will, be almost finished by the end of April. But by the end of April, we are expecting to see manual trade human side of the Rift to be more profitable, or the win rate uh, because of these algos is going to increase. It's going to, well, I can see if 300 people are trading with small or big ticket size, then their win ratio with this new, uh, you know, pattern or new um, intelligence layer is going to be more than 65 to 70%. This is what we expect with the new profit card or opportunity card mechanism that we are going to deploy. It is going to enhance your success rate. Uh, you know, I mean, we will not promise this, but this is the result that we gathered from this algo, that 80% of the win rate was, uh, tested and grabbed while testing these opportunities, which were, derived from this intelligence layer that we have been testing right now. So 80% win rate is a massive percentage in terms of manually winning the trades. That means the opportunity cards that you are going to see are going to be winning opportunities. If you see 10, then 8 out of 10 are winning for you. So that is a very big success in terms of us giving you seamless experience as to human side of Rift with trading, as well as that gives us a bigger edge as to auto trading engine is concerned, when we will be able to give you safe and more profitable, as well as more precisely winning environment in the human side, then you can understand auto trading engine is going to be more and more profitable in terms of generating profits to every single user. So every element of Rift is improving with trades that you all are executing. Well, the algo has learned quite a lot with just 13,000 trades. Imagine 13 million trades over Rift engine, and how precise it is going to get, and how what sort of, because it's ultimately an AI which is learning, which is becoming more and more advanced, more and more precise in terms of bringing the opportunity and filtering out the opportunity. um, at the same time, what we have built, we have integrated uh, various other mechanisms. We have cross-connected different platforms, like the predictive insights from TradingView that we have shown you. I showed you how I place trades when I do that using the opportunity cards. So these predictive analysis, uh, captured, covered, or you can say recorded by multiple platforms, is going to be assimilated and is going to be reflected in your opportunity cards, which you are going to see on Drift. So that sort of empowers, or you can say, is going to make the human side of trading up to 3 4x more stronger and more successful in terms of opportunity cards. I'm not if I'm giving you number as to 80% success rate, that means there should be a very strong win rate that we have recorded. So which open to share the stats with you all. Probably tomorrow I'm going to share the stats of these algos which we have been running to fetch the opportunities, and these algos have brought us 80% success in terms of winning the trade when we ran these algos in the demo mode. So, and first we are going to integrate these algos, these opportunity fetching engines in the demo mode. And once you see and perform with demo mode in the live market, then we will, with the stats that we collect from the demo mode, we will deploy it in the mainnet in the real trading mode. Now we have the UAT demo version of the product. So to test a new element, we don't need to test it as a team. We can test it with our users because we have a demo mode that is currently operational with the live market. So testing with Rift, bringing enhancement to Rift is very, very easy and interactive, and really, really very smart in terms of deployment for us as a tech team, because it's easy for us to deploy new changes and let you know that we have dropped a new update on the app. You go and try out demo mode, just stress test the demo mode so that we can get insights, and everybody would be happily willing to do that to make Rift more strong, more precise in terms of giving you opportunities in the profit cards. So that is what we are doing right now, along with integrating the auto trading engine. We are making the human side of trading more and more interactive and more insightful, and that is going to make you all more you can say engaged in terms of winning in human side of the engine, and that would be a very big recruitment uh, motivation, because right now, as I see in the market, I get to hear from leaders how they're recruiting. They're basically introducing people to the demo mode first. People come, they sign up, they get into demo mode, they try the demo mode, they see profits getting into their wallets, they see profits, how to trade and everything. Then they move from demo mode to the real trading mode with some funds, and they try the real trading mode. Then they pitch the auto trading engine, and once the auto trading engine is something that they understand, they buy the license and get ready for the pre-sales. So this is the sales pitch right now. What I foresee is going to be the sales pitch post auto trading engine launch would be something like you come, use the demo mode, and understand the demo mode thoroughly, and then go on to the real trading mode and use real trading mode. Also use auto trading engine, but the equal interest would be in the human trading mode as well, because human trading mode is giving you up to 80% success rate with every opportunity that you see on the cards. So that is the bigger takeaway, bigger picture that we see as a platform on Rift. And that's how we are going to organically make Rift bigger, because for the access to Rift human mode, you don't need a license. Nobody needs a license to operate on Rift real trading mode. That's where we are going to grab a huge user base, a very large diaspora of users without having an entry barrier of the license. And then there comes the licensed auto trading engine, which gives you seamless ROI, just like I am making every single cycle some funds into my self-custodial wallets, and all these trades which are executed by auto trading engine are winning. So this would be the pitch. If you want to make, okay, you learned demo mode, you understand how demo mode works. Now you trade with your real money in real trading mode. But if you have lost some money in the real trading mode, and you want to make sure that you never lose your money in the real trading mode, then welcome to auto trading engine. That would be the pitch. And this way it is going to be a very big chunk of users that will be recruited and then filtered and then diverted towards auto trading engine. That would be, I think, what I'm talking about is a mass recruitment product that is going to churn out hundreds of thousands of users every single month into auto trading engine. Because once people even feel like, or they think that there is a way that they cannot even lose 10 cents which they have paid in the fee, then they would prefer to go with the auto trading engine. That will be your pitch in the market, I know. But at the same time, we will keep the human side of trading very exciting, so that user equally pays attention to the human side as well as auto trading engine. And that would make the product at a very big success rate, because we know if there will be 500,000 users in on Rift, then out of 500,000 we will have 300,000 users trading in auto trading engine. Rest 200,000 will be trading in the human mode with themselves, with their own understanding, with their own acumen of trading. And they would be referred by random people, and they would you know be diverted by social media platforms. Because when you post your link somewhere, they will come to you, they will use your link and they will sign up and come. Or your downlines, when they post the link, they come, they just sign up and they use Rift without having to understand the affiliate model, without having to understand 3FO or anything else. And that's where we believe the stronger side, or the bigger macro side of the product comes in. And I'm speculating that by the end of this year, we'll be able to recruit more than 500 or 600,000 users easily, because this is a very strong product. And imagine success rate here in the stats showing you 70 to 80% is going to, you know, really blow the minds of people who will be, walking on the road. People will start snatching people from the streets, really. Literally, they will, feel like, okay, if I made $10 today in the human trading mode, I can help 10 people to make $10 easily. So, in terms of helping people, I mean, you can, if you don't even want to recruit, I mean, just taking perspective of an affiliate marketer who has lost money always in over the years and years, who has always invited their friends, their relatives, their near and dear ones, and lost the money, and they lost the money because of because of you or because of that affiliate marketer. This is the chance of that affiliate marketer to reintroduce and give them something that they don't need to pay for. Very simply, this is a referral link that requires no sign up cost, that requires no cost of joining, that requires no purchase. You just enter, use the demo version, and then enter into the human trading mode, and you win. And the win rate is how much? 70 to 80%, which is crazy, which is really, really big in terms of um, success rate on trading. You can go on chat gpt, check the success rate, the win rate with automated trading engine. You can check the win rate of various centralized exchanges, various algos which are built by these high frequency traders and everything, various trading pools, various yield pools which are generating ROIs to people. So it is going to be very, very crazy in terms of attracting the users. So this is how our whole community, and I would say the whole affiliate marketing diaspora, is going to get back their near and dear ones which have blocked you, or who have stopped talking to you because they lost money because of you, or who kind of feel awkward to speak to you because you have no answer, no response of 3 years ago. Some, they have deposited $500 in something and they did not get back. So this is the chance of every single affiliate marketer to recruit or to introduce each and every person without a sign up cost, without a ticket, to enter the rift. So I think this is going to be a very strong narrative in terms of bouncing back the affiliate marketing diaspora, and product that would help us, or that would make
Sorry,
it a
Chavez.
part. Sorry.
Sorry, you froze for about 30 seconds, just in case there was anything important in that 30 seconds. From the point when you said, okay, I can't remember what you said now, but if you could just step back 30 seconds, please.
Okay, okay, sorry. So yeah, I mean, circling back, so this is going to be a very strong narrative in terms of bringing back the old people, or not just people who joined our project, our products, our company, but to everyone, and this is for everyone to come and join, and then people can, this would be a very good pitch for others to bring the mutual ones who got lost in the way 5 years ago, 3 years ago, 10 years ago in affiliate marketing journey, who do not wish to talk to you, who do not wish to speak to you because they kind of lost money, they kind of got their funds burnt somehow in different projects, in different products or programs. So I think Rift is going to give a very smooth, free, welcoming gateway without any cost of entry, with just having the ability to understand how it works, how demo version works. And once they understand, once they start playing with the demo version, they get the taste of the blood. And when they get to taste a little of it, then they dive in, and you don't have to help them. Then they will come back to you and they will ask, I mean, I'm so sorry, we removed the auto trading engine from the UI totally so that they cannot even see it, even when they are not whitelisted. But in the near future, when we will cross, let's say, 15-20,000 users in couple of weeks, then I'm okay, open to bring the feature available to everyone so that they bounce back to you. They come back to you and ask, what is auto trading engine? We can do that. I think this is going to be a very strong narrative in the market, and this is going to prevail in a very strong way in the market, that there is a product, there is a program that has no entry fee, that has no cost of joining, that has no cost of using the product. You come, you use the demo version, you understand the demo version, then you put your money in your own self custodial wallet, and you trade, you exit, you make profit, you enjoy your life. That's it. And that's how we are going to get a very big user base in the human trading mode. And that's where your sales pitch, your creative sales pitch will come in, before we are revealing the auto trading engine to the larger crowd of human trading mode. So that's where you will repitch the same user. Once they're trading, you'll repitch that there's a auto trading mode. You will ask, how's your trading going, how's your response. If the response is good, then good. If the response is good, then you can tell them, hey, have you even lost any trade? So they will say, yes, I lost, let's say, 2 out of 10 trades that I executed. And then you will say, if you don't want to even lose two, then you can join auto trading engine. That way you can successfully win 100% trades. So that's how they will come in, and you'll be able to recruit these many people. So a massive recruitment drive is going to start, but it is going to start with a very simple invitation to Rift with your referral link. And I think social media is going to blow up. I can already see I'm friends with a lot of Vietnamese people. On Facebook, I see they have been tagging me in posts. They are spreading their Rift referral link like crazy. It's spreading like fart in Vietnam. It's crazy. It's everywhere. People are sending referral link every freaking where. I received around 100 messages from random Vietnamese people with their referral link. They don't know who am I, but they are sending it to me just so they think I can potentially join. Uh, they might have found my Dubai number in the group, so they texted me as their potential prospect. So they're finding people in groups and they're sending messages individually to people. Hey, this is a free trading app. You can join, you can try this demo version for free. And once you learn and understand, once it makes sense to you, then you can try the real trading mode with your real money and enjoy your profits. That's their sales pitch, and which is crazy. So I think if everybody who is listening to me right now or who will listen to me right now kind of applies this, then yes, this can be your product that can take you to the other side very simply and in a very calm and composed manner. And it can be the way to bring people back. It can be the way to win people's trust that might have been lost with previous products or projects. And it can be one of the best opportunities that you can bring in to the new people easily. So it is the most easiest, most craziest product to pitch. Just 2 lines were written. Hey, try this trading app. It gives you access to trade in the demo version for free. And then if you're satisfied and happy and if you're making profits, then you can try the real trading mode with your own real money and enjoy profits in your self-custodial wallets. Thank you. Goodbye. Feel free to get back to us if you want to explore the deeper features of the product. That's it. That's a one simple line message that comes in with the referral link, and that is spreading like crazy in Vietnam. So These people are going above and beyond. I mean, literally catching people from the streets. So yes, kind of inspiring to me. I mean, I received a lot of links from people I have seen in the events in Vietnam. They have seen me in the events. I have seen them in the events, but they're anyway texting me because they got my number in the groups. So this is the level of crazy recruitment which people are doing after looking at the insights that product is giving. So it is cool. Lucky I see you on the sixth in the leaderboard.
Yes,
Amazing.
Chavez, almost doubled my money since
Amazing.
starting. Yeah, almost doubled.
Amazing.
So this is
Amazing.
someone who doesn't know anything about trading, right?
Trading.
That's what I
So
love about this.
exactly. And this is just, and you are really being smart in this. Imagine you just casually doing it because the win rate is 80% or 70%, then what would be the case? I mean, I'm talking about 1 month from now when the opportunities are going to be more precise, more, uh, predictive because we are adding the predictive aspect to the opportunities now. So we will have win ratio percentage, losing ratio percentage also in the cards. Cards are becoming more precise by the end of April. So can't imagine the scale of recruitment, the scale of these random people texting me. I think I will receive more messages from more random people from groups because this win ratio is going to increase. So this is really really good, and I really feel proud that we built this product. That I am receiving the referral links first time. So it is a win. It's a huge success for us as a team.
Yes,
I
and
think it,
I second that, Chavez. Sorry, Joe. You know, there is so much excitement about Rift, and I'm getting calls from leaders I haven't spoken to in years. And, news spreads fast in this space. So, and also I'm seeing so many leaders and community members who have come back I haven't seen around for over a year. So this is really good. And I think when we're looking at your results, you're sharing with us, I think it's really impressive, so we are sharing a forward. So when you share with us, I'm sending it to the leaders who are showing interest to say, look at these results. And it's showing, it's like people are finding out, they're calling us, which is amazing. And I love that. It's real excitement at the moment where people asking me, are you still with Chavez? I heard about Rift, so can you tell me? So it's exciting times for us. And as I said the other day, you got us busy, but we absolutely loving it right now. And all I want to say to the community is, if you haven't got your license, don't miss out. As Chavez said, they're going really fast, not many left, and buy it as soon as possible so you don't miss out if you're planning to. If you want to wait and see the results from your leaders and then you'll have to wait another 2 weeks, that's okay as well. But if you're planning to get it straight away before you miss out. Chavez, I have a question on can you share the screen for me again? Just want to understand something from the stats you showed. So on this, you have one trade at the bottom. It says one trade. Why does it say one trade there?
No, it is basically day cycle is not working properly. This is something not finished.
Okay.
So
Okay.
currently we
Amazing.
have 10 open trades, but it shows just one trade because I'll tell you why. Because the consolidated profit of all the trades is deposited once every single day. So it's not that you receive in 10 different transactions, 10 cents, 20 cents, $1, $2, like that. But consolidated profit of all the winning trades, they come to you directly in your wallet throughout the day cycle.
Okay, so that's considered one trade because
One trade.
it's is
Payout,
it in a 24-hour cycle or is
24
it
hour
12
cycle.
24
24
hours?
hours. Yes, one payout goes to you. And if I will be, doing half and half into smart flow and alpha flow, then it will be two active pools and two trades.
I see. Okay, it's just not working at the moment. That's why it's just showing one trade.
Because we are still modifying, we are
Okay.
bringing the ratio, we are bringing the detailed day cycle, we are bringing the expanded trading history as well with transaction hash, so that you can see on blockchain that this particular trade was executed.
Okay, so
So
even from the Autobot, even though it's consolidating all your trades, we are
all
still able to see every single trade and
every
see. I see. That's amazing. That's
you
amazing.
will see millions of trades happening on the smart contract at the same time. So it will be sometimes difficult for you to find out your trade, but you will see because it's hyper liquid. So,
Yes.
micro milliseconds of trades will be executed, but you will see all of them on blockchain, which auto trading engine executes. Everything is going to be freaking transparent in front of everyone. So you
Love
can
that.
go on blockchain, you can see, and you can, so every single position that is open to you will be, so every thing that is concerned here is getting, modified. We are beautifying the whole interface. I think 2 more days are required. Till Saturday will be done, and then we will whitelist the panel first, and
Yeah.
then Monday the whole community.
Amazing. I have another question. So when I look at so we started with $1,000
Mhm,
and we put it into microflow day one on Saturday.
mhm,
Then we changed it to smart flow. And then, so when you look at your $1,039,
mhm.
the percentage over there, shouldn't that be more? Shouldn't it be 3.9 instead of 2.63?
It should be yes, because we uh, added, we removed, and the thing is, this balance is complete. This formula is also not correct because the available balance here is 0.02, and that is affecting the percentage here. So the formula which shows you the profit is not correct. Yes, it is incorrect. So do not calculate accordingly, because it's just the first version of auto trading engine which is on UI. Nothing is there on UI yet. I just white tested my email, and just to show you all how it works, and even the ratios are going to be defined, so there will be limits of investment also in these three strategies. That's what we are working on. So this section on day cycle, this pool allocation, this engine portfolio overview is going to be rebuilt completely. I am whitelisted for three strategies, but I can see only one here. So everything is getting modified. Here you have now auto trading engine view as well. So here also we are improvising, more, and we will show positions also here. So everything is getting modified. Till Saturday we'll have it.
Wow, this is amazing, Chavez. Really, can't wait. Thank you. Joe?
Thank you very much, Lucky. Chavez, I'm not really sure what we can add. I haven't said 100 times before. Our strength as a community is our willingness to stand strong, follow the vision, and put our trust and faith into you. At the same time, our strength as a company is your willingness to continue showing up, even if it's late. It's to continue showing up and to continue providing opportunity. And you have been doing that now for nearly 3 years. For everybody that is here, that has stuck with us, that has turned up day after day, week after week, this is the time. This is what you've been waiting for. This is why you stuck around. As Chavez says, all of those who left, all of those who rushed off to other projects that then collapsed and disappeared. Now's the time to reach out to those people and say to them, look, we're still here 3 years later. We will be here in 3 more years. And now we have another groundbreaking product that is delivering. So the gratitude, I'm sure, is felt by everybody. I think it's fair to say that in most people's lives, it is an important thing to show appreciation for what they have on a day-to-day basis. And I think we should all show our appreciation for the effort and the work that you and your tech team put in. Having said that, Chavez, please, can we have some updates on all of the rest of the ecosystem? People are eager to find out about all of the other things that are going on. So please, perhaps you can enlighten us.
So a lot of development is going on, but the thing is, we are pushing Rift Auto Trading Engine live right now. So you can say almost whole tech team is diligently working towards delivering one thing as a team, is that is Rift Auto Trading Engine, and that doesn't mean we have paused or we have stopped development of rest of the other products in the ecosystem. Of course, BTCC is running, the whole chain is running, the maintenance is going on, the updates are going on, everything is functional. But currently, we are only focusing on pushing the auto trading engine live, and I don't even, remember when I have the last meal or when I, go to bed. Right now, it's only and only Rift that we are focused on. Once this goes live, then I would be more comfortable and more, I think, in my senses to, look after every other thing in the ecosystem. So let's wait till Wednesday, and let's have the deployment of auto trading engine done, and then I will be in my senses to focus in a multitasking way about the whole ecosystem, then give you all updates in senses. I'm currently not in my senses.
That's okay. Thank you very much for that, Chavez. I hope everybody heard that. All 209 people, I hope you heard that. Okay. The next lot of updates will be on Wednesday. Okay. We are all eager to hear those updates. But if there is no update, then there is no update. It will happen when Chavez comes with those updates, which we are reliably informed from the horse's mouth will be on Wednesday. Okay. I think, is that everything, Chavez, or is there anything else you'd like to add?
That is everything, Joe.
Amazing.
Can't wait to see you all tomorrow and show you Alpha Flow profits.
Nor can we, Chavez. We are eager. It's eagerly anticipated. I think everybody here has got curled up toes and curled up fingers holding onto their seat, eagerly awaiting to test it live for themselves. Remember, there's only 2,000 to start with, and most of those have sold. There's only 600 left, so I wouldn't waste any more time if you want to be in that first batch of users. Okay, Chavez, as always, it's a pleasure, a joy, an honor. Thank you so much for taking the time to join us and taking the time to explain everything in such detail. It is always so important and valuable. So thank you very much. Lucky, the rest of the panel, thank you very much for joining us tonight. But most of all, we thank all of you for coming day after day, showing your support and showing your trust and faith in us as the leadership, as Chavez, as the CEO, and as this entire community as one big happy company and one happy family. We will see you all. Oh, US prime time is back on, so come and see Carl and myself this evening at midnight UK time or 7 p.m. US time, where we will be hopefully playing the recording if Lucky's going to send it to me. If not, then we will figure out something else. Other than that, we will see you all tomorrow evening, 7 p.m. UK time, for the next view of what Chavez Auto Trading Engine results will be. Good night, everyone. Have a great evening.
Good night.